Hi friends!
Hi guys!
Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a recipe that's special to us, octopus salad. It brings back such a beautiful memory. A few years ago, on vacation in Italy, in one little seaside restaurant, we tasted the most amazing octopus salad with tomato, parsley, good olive oil. We fell in love with this instantly. As soon as we got home, we tried to recreate it, and you know what? It turned out delicious. The best part is, it's simple to make, just a few quality ingredients, and you get this light, healthy and flavorful dish, perfect for summer. Let me show you the ingredients that we will need.
Fresh octopus, briny Mediterranean Kalamata olives, juicy cherry tomatoes, sweet red onion, white potato, fragrant bay leaves, of course olive oil, fresh and aromatic parsley, black pepper, and salt. Let's get started cooking. We start by simmering the octopus in boiling water with the bay leaves. This takes about 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the size. It should be fork tender but not falling apart. While the octopus is cooking, dice the potato into bite-sized pieces and then boil them until they are soft but still firm. Thinly slice the red onion, halve the cherry tomatoes, chop the fresh parsley. Once the octopus is ready, cut it into small chunks. It should be tender and easy to slice. In a large bowl, combine the octopus, potatoes, cherry tomatoes, red onion, Kalamata olives, and parsley. Now, drizzle with good extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, a little black pepper. Gently toss everything together. Look at those colors, it's a true taste of the Mediterranean. So fresh and delicious, just like we remember from Italy. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy meals from our kitchen to yours.